on YouTube. Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to go over some crypto movements I have, and we're going to look at 28 stocks that I just bought. Feel free to check out any of the tickers or the coins or tokens I'm into, and do your own due diligence and see if it's something you would like to add to your portfolio as well. Now, if you like this type of content, please hit the like button for me. I'd really appreciate it, as it helps out the channel to get the content out there to other viewers. Just to kind of show people that you can grow a small portfolio into something major. If you've been following me from the beginning, I started this portfolio off, with literally $1, and I've grown it, to tens of thousands of dollars thus far in a matter of 8 months. Subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow my journey. Hit the description below if you want to see what this channel is all about, as I do give a brief description of what I do. Hit either the 4 affiliate links I got, or all 4 if you want some free stocks, free shares. And also follow me on social media, as I do have those links in the description below. So let's jump into it. This is Bitcoin in the Robinhood account. As you can see, my average cost is $17,594.32. Today it was up $3.34, up $23.54. My total return is $503.66, and I'm up 223.97%. Down at the bottom, you can see my frequency of buying. Buying a little bit here and there, every now and again, just stacking up my Bitcoin portfolio in the Robinhood account. And as my gains show, I'm doing pretty well in Bitcoin, as I'm up over 200%. Then we got some Bitcoin in the Webull account. I am up $14.28, up 18.31%. This is a $78 investment, valued at $92.28 at the moment. Got in around $48,000. Bitcoin's currently around $56,000, $57,000 at the moment. And looking down below, you can also see my buying frequency here in the Webull app, as I'm buying a little bit here and there as well. Then we have a BTC Bitcoin in the Webull account. I'm sorry, in the Toro account. Bitcoin is around 57,000 at this time. It was up 0.09%, up $53.70. I put in $203. It's now valued at $456.79. It is up 125.02%. Total dollar gain of $253.79. So more than double my money thus far. Then we have some Bitcoin in the Cash App. This is a total investment of about $380, $379. That is now valued at $3,238.33. And it is about 5% of one Bitcoin. From the research I've done, when Bitcoin eventually gets to $1 million a coin, I think it'll hit 100,000 this year. But eventually, when it's $1 million or so, and the supply and demand goes up even more as the coins get, the supply is very low, and all these major funds, hedge funds, and different banks and countries are accumulating Bitcoin. In my opinion, 0.01% of a Bitcoin, which is about $500-600 worth of Bitcoin at the moment, is pretty much all you'll need to be able to get rich. That'd probably get you about $1 million. So that's $500-600 probably be valued at $1 million around that time. Here, I think within the next 10 years. So here I have 0.5%. So I'm assuming that I'll have at least $5 million worth of Bitcoin here in the Cash App. But I will be adding to this more and more as I go, and in different portfolios as well, different brokers, as I'm buying Bitcoin all over the place. Next, we have Litecoin in the Toro app. This is LTC. It's valued at $203.68. It was up 2.42% on the day. Total dollar gain of $4.82. I put in $86. It's now valued at $106.86. It is up 24.26%. Total dollar gain of $20.86. Then in the crypto wallet, we're valued at $86.10. This is crypto.com. On the day, I was up $4. Total, I'm up $4.14, up 5.05%. We got 472 VeChain tokens, VET. it's up pretty nicely as well. Then in the Coinbase account, we got Zinc or Zcash. We got a quarter of a coin. It's valued at 38.56. You can look down below and see, how often or how much I'm spending here and there, just stacking up the crypto. Then we have some crypto in the PayPal. The portfolio is valued at 433.18. As you can see, I'm holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Our Bitcoin here is currently valued at 123.26. It was up $705, up 1.25% on the day. It's valued around $57,000 per coin. Then we got Bitcoin Cash. This was up $7.36, up 1.35% on the day. It is around $552 per coin. We have 17% of a coin. It's valued at $97.64. Then we got Litecoin. It was up $6.22 on the day, up 3.11%. Litecoins are going for about $205.95. We have 52% of a coin. It's valued at $108.62. Now we're going to get into the 28 buys I just made. This here is in the Cash App. We bought $28 worth of Costco, ticker COST. Costco is a great long-term play and a very great dividend play as well. It's kind of a recession-proof stock. They sell a lot of essential goods and consumer goods that people are going to need and buy every day on a daily basis, especially during a pandemic. So definitely a great long-term buy here, as Costco's not going anywhere. Then we put $39 into Anthem. We put $40 into Lockheed Martin, ticker LMT, another great dividend stock, a great defensive play, and they had some great contracts with the U.S. government. Very profitable company, high revenue stream. Do your due diligence, look at their financial reports, and look at their dividend payout, their consistent dividend payout, their consistent dividend raise, and this will be something that can earn you that passive income as well as grow. Then we put $41 into Goldman Sachs, ticker GS. Great hedge fund, very smart board of members. Very, very credible fund here to put your money into for some nice growth as well. Then we put $42 into the S&P Global. This is just basically sort of like SPY. It's sort of like the S&P 500. So it's going to pretty much track the top 500 companies in the United States, U.S., New York Stock Exchange. So can't go wrong with that. A lot of diversification, great companies, and not much volatility involved in that with 500 companies. Then we put $43 into Ulta Beauty, ticker ULTA. Company makes a lot of money. Great products, very well known household item. A lot of their customers, are repeat customers. They buy a lot of the same products all the time. They stand by them. They live by them. So definitely a great investment here for the long term. Then we put $44 into Ringcentral Rng. Everybody knows about Ring and the product they make. Great technology, very innovative, and definitely a great product. Then we put $45 into United Health. Now, healthcare is one of the sectors of the market that's going to do very well in 2021. Some of the sectors like, raw materials, industrials, financials, healthcare, consumer goods, the more needed things that we need and must have to live are going to do very well in 2021, as you're seeing a shift in the market sector section, as people are kind of going away from the techs, the EVs, the IPOs, the SPACs, and they're going more into the what I would consider guaranteed money plays. Not to say the other sectors won't bounce back or do well. It's just a recovery time after the pandemic. So these are going to be great recovery plays and great plays for this year. So just do your research, look into it, and you want to diversify your portfolio, make sure you get into these sectors as well. Next, we put $46 into Domino's. Domino's is a pizza chain. They make pizza, sandwiches, pasta, all kinds of different items. They have contracts with vendors like Pepsi and those sorts of things. They have carry out delivery. I mean, everybody knows what Domino's is, right? So you want to take a look at the Domino's and Papa John's. Those are probably two of my favorite major pizza chain stocks. I believe Papa John's is PZZA, as I do. I'll hold that one for a long term as well. A great play. People love pizza, and they love the convenience of these major fast food chains. They always have great coupons as well, so you can get kind of like great deals and things of that nature, and just very convenient. They also have some nice technology as well in their app, so definitely a great play here. Then we went ahead and put $1 into Vanguard Technology Etf. I love ETFs because they give you a lot of diversification, low fluctuation, and then when you get them from good funds like Vanguard, Fidelity, iShares, et cetera, et cetera, you're going to get great picks, and this is going to be the best information technology companies all in one bundle here. Then we put $2 into Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This basically just tracks the S&P 500 as well, provided by Vanguard. Then we put $3 into Deere. I mean, everybody knows who John Deere is. They make tractors, probably the most well-named, well-branded tractor supplier in the United States. Then we put $4 into Dexcom. We put $5 into Canadian Pacific Railway, ticker CP. Great dividend play. Make a lot of great revenue. This is a major railway system in Canada. So do your research and look these guys up and see if it's something that you may want to add to your portfolio as well. Sorry about that. Then we put $6 into Tilio, ticker TWLO. Then we put $7 into Cooper, ticker COO. We put $8 into MasterCard, ticker MA. MasterCard's a very great dividend stock. Look into this one. Great dividends, great longevity with the dividends. Great at raising their dividends. Very, very, very profitable company as well. Great revenue stream. So definitely take a look at the MasterCard. Now this is in the stash account. We put $6 into Zoom, ticker ZM, Zoom Video Communications. Everybody knows what Zoom is. It's kind of like Skype and video messenger or whatever. You can do conference calls. A lot of schools are using them. A lot of businesses are using Zoom. Zoom skyrocketed during the pandemic as everybody was using it. It took a recent dip, so the prices right now are very great for the stock, and the stock isn't going nowhere. A lot of people are still going to continue to use Zoom even as the economy opens up, as businesses realize they don't have to waste so much money on these huge office spaces. And a lot of these companies are going to continue to allow people to work from home, as they're still getting the same level of production out of these employees as they were when they were in the office. Then we put $17 into Roper Technologies, ticker ROP. We put $8 into Paycom Software Inc., ticker PACY, PAC. Then we put $19 into SPY, SPY. This is a Spider S&P 500 ETF trust. This is another fund provided by Spider. It just basically tracks the S&P 500. Then we put $20 into ticker IVV. This is the iShares fund. Stash gives their own little names for these ETFs and funds. They call it match the market. Then we put $21 into Intuit, ticker INTU. Put $22 into ticker ILMN, Lumina Inc. Put $23 into Adobe, ticker ADBE. Great software company, very well known, makes some great products. They have some great contracts, so a very profitable business here. Then we put $24 into Broadcom.com, ticker AVGO, very profitable company as well. Then we put $25 into TMO, Thermo Fisher Scientific Inc. Put $1 into ticker REGN. This is a pharmaceutical company. And then lastly, you put $1 into RH. So those will be my 28 buys for the day. Do your own due diligence. Look at some of these tickers. See if there are some of these companies or ETFs or funds or anything you would like to add to your portfolio. I highly suggest you diversify it. If you're some of these people that had a few stocks and you had the meme stocks, the tech stocks, with the recent correction, you took big L's, massive L's on a daily. So diversify. Take a hedge against the fiat currency and get yourself some crypto as well. At least some Bitcoin and Ethereum are the main two suggestions, as there is other very great profitable and reliable coins that hold value. So you just do your research and add you some crypto to your portfolio. Don't throw all your money at once, just kind of dollar cost average your way in. I don't care if it's $1 a week or $1 a paycheck. Just buy a little bit here and there, and you won't regret it. This is a thumbnail to my last video. I want to check that out. I'd really appreciate that. Once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell, follow my journey, and I'll catch you in the next one.